Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about plans and pricing for Sintra. In order to do so, here we are at Sintra AI, and if you are unfamiliar with Sintra, it is an incredible platform. We highly recommend it. It's a website that basically provides you a team of AI employees that can really help your business get an edge. And you could see here are different AI employees that we have access to, and they all will provide you some very useful information based on different categories here. So we have data analysis, email marketing, personal growth, copywriting, recruiting, SEO, social media, virtual assistant, sales manager, business development, customer support, e-commerce. There are some really amazing options here, and I highly recommend taking a look at Sintra. Let's take a look at the pricing. So if we come up here to the top, we'll go ahead and click on that. And you can see that we can take advantage of the individual employees, and each of them is going to cost $39 a month, and each is worth its weight in gold. You may be able to get a 60% off if you log in. This sale might not last forever, so just be aware of that, but you can give that a try. It does seem like it's timing down, so if you want to get there quick and see if that sale is still available. Otherwise, you can look at each of these for $39 a month again, or you can apply to subscribe to Sintra X. And with Sintra X, you get all 12 Sintra AI helpers at $97 a month. And I really do believe that it is worth the value. Whether you're an established business or you're a new business owner, Sintra is an amazing tool, and it can really help you gain a competitive edge in your business. We highly recommend it. So much so that we are offering a promo code Skillcraft60. And if you use this promo code, you can get 1 month free for Sintra. And again, highly recommend it. Take a look at the description and you can click on the link there. You'd be helping us out as well. Use promo code Skillcraft60 at checkout. You'll get 1 month free, enough time to try it out for yourself. And I guarantee if you spend some time with Sintra, you'll really see the value. I think it's an amazing tool. It's one of the best AI tools that I've come across. Highly recommend it. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips.